What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel because today we're diving into something that's not just a car, it's rolling history, craftsmanship, and a symbol of post-war American optimism. This is the 1946 Mercury 8 Woody Wagon, model 69M, a machine that captures the exact moment when America was getting back on its feet, when families were rediscovering the open road, and when automotive design was more art and science. Take a look at it. The first thing that hits you isn't the sound of the engine or even the shape, it's the wood. That's right, real, honest-to-goodness wood. The Woody Wagon isn't just a nickname, it's a literal description of this masterpiece. Every curve, every grain, every piece of maple, birch, and mahogany is handcrafted, and that's something you won't see in modern cars, not even the most expensive ones. This was the age when craftsmanship wasn't optional, it was the heart of the build. The 1946 Mercury 8 Woody Wagon was born right after World War II. Factories were transitioning from producing bombers, tanks, and ammunition back to building vehicles for a world hungry for normalcy, for family trips, Sunday drives, and freedom. Mercury, being Ford's upscale division, knew they needed something special, and the Woody Wagon was their statement, luxury wrapped in authenticity. Under the hood, you get the Legendary Flathead V8, 239 cubic inches of smooth, confident power. It's not about speed or muscle in the modern sense, it's about the experience. You start it, you feel the deep, mellow rumble that tells you this car is alive. 100 horsepower may not sound like much today, but in the mid-40s, this was top tier. It was power with grace, a car for people who appreciated design as much as performance. Now, step closer and look at this incredible attention to detail. Every panel on the body is a statement of craftsmanship. Those wood panels, each one was individually selected and fitted by skilled carpenters, not machines, not robots. These were the same kinds of artisans who built furniture, boats, and even aircraft interiors. The wood framework on a Woody Wagon wasn't just decorative, it was part of the car's structure. It gave the wagon its signature look, warm, natural, and unmistakably human. And that's why collectors today are obsessed with these cars. It's not just nostalgia, it's the realization that you can't mass-produce this kind of soul anymore. The 1946 Mercury 8 Woody Wagon is a bridge between two worlds, the industrial and the handcrafted, the mechanical and the organic. Inside, the cabin tells the same story. You open that heavy wooden door and the scent of aged leather and varnished wood hits you. It's like stepping into a classic yacht or an old luxury train car. The dashboard gleams with chrome details and smooth gauges that have aged like fine instruments. The steering wheel is massive, commanding, yet elegant. It reminds you of a time when driving wasn't just transportation, it was ceremony. The Mercury 8 Woody wasn't just beautiful, it was rare. In 1946, production numbers were limited, and each one took time to build. Back then, owning one of these meant you'd arrived. They were often used by Hollywood stars, country clubs, and the wealthy families who wanted something practical but sophisticated. They were expensive when new, and today a fully restored example like this can easily sell for six figures, sometimes well over $150,000, depending on condition and originality. That's how sought after they are. But the thing that really makes this car special is what it represents. Think about it. 1946. The war is over. Soldiers are coming home. The economy is shifting gears. America's highways are opening up, and families are discovering road trips for the first time. The Woody Wagon was the vehicle that carried that dream, literally. It was the family car for people who wanted to explore, to escape, to feel alive again. Driving one today is an experience that words barely capture. There's no power steering, no digital screens, no computers, just you, the wheel, and the road. You can feel every movement through your hands. You can hear the Flathead V8 breathe. You can smell the oil, the wood, the gasoline. It's sensory, it's mechanical, it's pure. It's what driving was meant to be before it became sterile and automated. And the looks you get when you take this out, unbelievable. People stop, they take pictures, they ask questions, because the 1946 Mercury Woody isn't just a car, it's an event. It's nostalgia on wheels, a moving sculpture of mid-century American excellence. Now, for the collectors watching, let's talk details. The model designation, 69M, refers to the Mercury 8 station wagon built on the 118-inch wheelbase platform. It shares mechanical roots with the Ford Super Deluxe, but carries its own identity. More chrome, a more refined grille, and a more upscale interior. It was Mercury's first post-war model, but it wasn't a simple continuation of pre-war cars. It was redesigned with subtle improvements, including stronger suspension, better brakes, and updated styling. It was understated luxury at its finest. Restoring one of these isn't easy. The wood alone is a massive undertaking. You can't just go to a hardware store and grab replacements. It takes skilled restorers, sometimes using the same tools and techniques from the 1940s to bring that original glow back. And when done right, it's breathtaking, like this one here. Every curve reflects craftsmanship. Every screw, every joint, every chrome accent tells the story of a time when design and pride mattered. You can almost picture the craftsman sanding the wood by hand, fitting it perfectly against the steel body, making sure it was flawless. This wasn't mass production. This was art. So, if you ever get the chance to see a 1946 Mercury 8 Woody Wagon in person, take a moment. Touch the wood, feel the history, listen to that Flathead V8 idle like a heartbeat from another era. This isn't just about horsepower or style, it's about human creativity, passion, and the post-war dream of freedom. Before we wrap up, let's remember, cars like this remind us where we came from. A time when driving wasn't about convenience, it was about connection. The road wasn't just pavement, it was possibility. The 1946 Mercury 8 Woody Wagon was built for that spirit, the spirit of adventure, family, and American craftsmanship. So, if you love classics like this, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below about your favorite vintage car. I've got more rare rides and deep dives coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your wheels classic and your stories timeless.